Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up subscriptions on your Wix website. Whether you are selling memberships, digital content, or recurring services, this is a game changer for your online business. Now first off, you might want to go to the Wix official website, and from here, just pick the website template that you love. For example, you are into maybe selling memberships. So you might want to type in membership here on the search bar. Press enter. And of course, for example, you are running a gym. Okay. If you want to see the template for you, you might want to do that. You have the option to gauge the template's mobile responsiveness by clicking on this icon right here. So it seems like it's very intuitive. If you go for the desktop preview version, you might want to do so as well. So it seems like it's a very good template. All I have to do is click on the edit this site button on the upper right corner. Wait for it while Wix is setting things up for you. Now you might want to put in something like a small information about your membership. You don't have to worry because you just have to put something here. And of course, AI will create the content for you. Wait for it, booting up the writing machine, and that's going to be that. It'll take a little while. Now here, of course, you can put in elements, section, pages, and menus, site design. You can even add apps. Here, you might want to type in something like subscription. You see that? If it's available to your plan. You have the PayPal button, Wix pricing plans, pop-up forms by Smart Target, Klaviyo, email marketing. But the thing is, as you can see, some requires the premium site or the subscription. You might want to check in if there are like free trials, all right, that you might use here. Matter of fact, we have like an updater, change members email, easily self-update site members login email if you wanted. You can choose that because it's free plan, because the apps will help you sort through on your clients and memberships and wait for it while it's being integrated. And all I have to do is click the add to site, agree and add. This is very important if you want to make sure you are taking care of your membership or the subscription, right? After doing that, the next thing that you need to do is go to your site dashboards settings. You can also, you see there's going to be a button that says subscribe now. All right, say for example, you wanted to put in another element right here. Maybe we're going to put the payment section, all right? I'm going to put it here, but I'm going to rename that. For example, all right. And then next thing is we're going to go to our site's dashboard. Now here we're going to create a pricing plan for your membership. All right. For example, we can set up pricing plans to sell services or content to the site. If I click on start now, as you can see, we can put something like gold membership, platinum membership, and silver membership. But if you wanted to create your plan here, for example, this is very important, all right? The plan name is something like and description is going to be like this. You can put in the plan card image, choose image, Wait for it to load. Gonna use some of my files. Gonna upload some media. Upload from my computer. Wait for it. Click on add to page. You can tell customers what the main features are. That's optional. I'm gonna put in something like this. And this is gonna be a booking services. It's a membership or subscription, right? Now, is it gonna be a one-time payment, like a charge a single upfront fee? Or are you offering this plan free of charge or recurring payments? For example, if the price is gonna be like $69 monthly, you can select a plan like this is going to be until canceled kind of subscription. You can charge a setup fee if you want. For example, if the setup fee is 6.9, you can also enable a free trial. All right. And that's going to be like custom date is 69. Right. You can limit to one subscription per customer if you wanted. And of course, we're allowing customers to cancel their subscription. Let customers set a start date. You can also add a policy, collect additional information at checkout. You can add a form, but we're not going to do that right now. And also you can customize the thank you page. For example, this is going to be that. You can put in all this information and click on save. All right. And of course, I want you to save it. That's how you basically create a subscription or set up subscriptions on Wix. Now, if you wanted to, I'm going to put in maybe a strength class for now, just for the sake of this video. All right. Set a free name. Click on save. Now, this is going to be our custom subscription. And the next thing is setting up payment methods, because this is very important. So for us to be paid on these subscriptions. Now, these are going to be the accepted payments here on Wix. You can use the credit or debit cards like buy now, pay later, and more with Wix. You can use PayPal, which allows you to accept PayPal, Venmo, and pay later payments. You can also choose the manual payments. You can accept cash, check, or other custom forms of payment. You see, there's going to be see more options at the bottom. If you do that, you'll have the Square, Afterpay, Affirm, Alipay, Bankful, Klarna, AAA, Split, and a lot more. You also have the option by a third-party credit or debit card providers. That includes Stripe, right? This is very important. And you have the Braintree, Bankful, and a lot more. Because setting up subscription in Wix is simple and flexible, allowing you to customize pricing plans, offer exclusive content, even create recurring bill for physical products or services. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.